In this video, I will show you how to bookmark a page in Google Chrome so you can save your favourite websites and access them quickly. To get started, what you want to do is head over to the website or page that you want to add as a bookmark. In this example, I'm just going to use google.com. Now, what you want to do once you're on the website or page that you want to add as a bookmark is you want to come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and on this menu you want to hover over the bookmarks and lists section. Now on here you can see I've currently got some saved bookmarks, but to bookmark a specific page or website, all you need to do is simply click the bookmark list tab option. There's also a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl and D, but give that a click and that's going to open up a small window like this. What you can then do is give your bookmark a name and add it to a folder, and then all you need to do is click done. Once that's done, if we come back to the bookmarks and list section, you should now find your bookmark has been saved. It's in the other bookmarks folder. So if I scroll down here, you can see we've got the google.com website saved. So that is how to bookmark a page in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.